Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk through how to address a payment hold on PayPal. Now, I'm going to give you a straightforward guide. If it's for physical goods, what do? Add tracking information. Log into your PayPal account, go to activity, find the transaction with the payment on hold and click get your money. Choose the product to add your tracking information from one of PayPal's approved shipping carriers. PayPal will typically release the hold approximately 24 hours after the courier confirms delivery to the buyer's address. Alternatively, you can print shipping labels through PayPal and they will track the item and release the hold around 24 hours after confirmed delivery. Now, if it's for services or intangible items, what you do is to update order status. How? Log into your PayPal account, go to activity, find the transaction with the payment on hold and click get your money. Choose service or virtual product to update the order status. You can set the order status to completed, pending or cancelled. If you set the status to completed, PayPal will usually release the hold 7 days after you confirm the order status. Also, it's important for you to consider that in rare cases, even after completing the above steps, PayPal might hold the payment for up to 21 days in some unusual situations, such as a noticeable change in your selling patterns. Maintaining good communication with your buyer can help prevent issues that might lead to payment holds. Account verification. Ensure your PayPal account is fully verified. This builds trust and can reduce the likelihood of holds. Follow PayPal's instructions for verifying your identity, address, and business details if required. Always aim for a positive selling history by providing excellent customer service and fulfilling orders promptly. This improves your account reputation. If the hold persists beyond the expected time frame after following these steps, it is advisable to contact PayPal customer support for specific details regarding your transaction. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks and see you in the next video.